Here's how to set any song as your Android or iPhone ringtone. So first we need to grab your video with your preferred ringtone sound. I found this amazing song on TikTok and I just saved it to my video library. Second, head over to the App Store or Play Store and download this app VA Video to MP3 Converter. When you open this application, you will get the option of video to music. Click on it. You have to select the video that you downloaded. Below you will see the format. Click on it and select MP3 and then click on this arrow. And here you will see the ringtone icon. Click on it. From here you can set up phone ringtone, SMS ringtone and alarm ringtone. And then just click on confirm. This is super useful app, must try. And if you haven't followed me before, please follow me.